welcome to Beyblade ZC. I'm Zach.
I'm Carter.
And today we've got a special unboxing. We've got Venom Devolos D5 and Harmony Pegasus P5 from Hasbro.
Right here and right now.
So, Harmony Pegasus is a very new Beyblade from the third wave, which is the newest. And I think Venom Devolos is from the second wave, which came out a couple months ago. This just came out a couple days ago, so we're going to unbox them today and test them out.
Alright guys, let's get to these awesome unboxings now.
Yeah, let's go. So they're unboxed, and now here are the parts. Here's the tip, really cool. It is a balance type. We got its forged disc, which is the same as the Race Devolos, VN. Here's the GT chip, not the GT chip, the layer, I'm sorry. It is Venom, and then here is the GT chip, the QR code, and put it in there. Put it together like a normal Beyblade, of course, and then here's Venom Devolos D5. So, you want to show them your bit?
Okay, this is Harmony Pegasus' tip.
It is a stamina type, right?
Stamina type. It has like a cool tip. Like, it can stay up on the box. It says for 5. Like, I really like its tip. It's yellow, sort of my favorite color.
Okay, get on to the forged disc.
And here is the forged disc. It is really round. It is, if you guys have Phoenix, Revive, and Dread, these both have the same forged disc.
Yeah, 10, so the layer.
Here is the layer. It's very pretty.
Yeah, it's Harmony, that's what it's called. Yeah, it's probably pretty because it's called Harmony.
Yeah.
So, the GT chip, Pegasus, QR code, so
It is really cool. I really like the layer of gray and
it's cool because it's like Takara Tommy, because like the stickers are already like
gray.
printed on there.
Like
it's really cool.
Zach said the gray, the Takara Tommy one is weak. Right?
I don't know. Alright, so
Here is Harmony Pegasus fold together.
okay, so now on to the battles between Venom and Devolos D5 and Harmony Pegasus P5. Carter did not want to be here during these battles, so I will have my dad here be Pegasus instead. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to do one battle. It's going to be first to 5. So for each one like this. That is Harmony Pegasus P5 with a burst. It is 1-0, 2-0. My bad. So we are moving on to round 2. 2-0. Harmony Pegasus. 3, 2, 1. Like this. Alright, so Harmony Pegasus with another burst. I didn't expect Devolos to burst super easily. It's crazy, man. So, 4-0. I think if it's another burst, it's already over. So, for each one like this. Go, Devolos! Go, Phantom! I bet it might be another burst. Another last second burst. So looks like Harmony wins with a score of 6-0. That was super short. I thought Devolos would be really powerful, but seems like it is weak. So I guess Carter's still not here, so I'll have to do the outro on my own. So these babies are pretty good. Devolos kept losing because I just realized he burst super easily. While Pegasus, on the other hand, has lots of stamina on the tip, and it's very hard to burst. So these two are really awesome bays. And also, I forgot to say earlier, so you know how in our last video, I said that we had like above 10 subscribers, but now we have almost 30 subscribers, and that is amazing, guys. Thanks to everyone who commented down below, because now lots of people commented, and thanks to everyone who also subscribed and liked. So I guess that's the end. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Do you have both of these bays? And in any battle, does Devolos always burst like this? So I guess it's time for the big outro. And don't forget to always let it rip.